Here's how to sign out of your YouTube account on other devices. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to show you how to sign out if you're logged in on a TV or a computer or another phone. Tap on the U button at the bottom right. And next, tap on Accounts at the top left. Once you've done that, tap on Manage Your Google Account on your iPhone and Manage Your Google Account on Android. Scroll down and tap on Security and Sign In on either phone. And then again, scroll down. From here, you're looking for your devices. Tap on Manage All Devices and look for the device that you wanted to sign out. In this case, I'm just going to scroll down to my Mac computer and then tap on that device, again, on any iPhone or Android, and you will probably need to authenticate that you own this account, so just use your Face ID and password. After you've done that, all you need to do is tap the Sign Out button, and it will log out of that account on that specific device. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.